Hello guys, welcome to the Design in Tech Hub YouTube channel and welcome to another episode of an amazing video. I'm 𝐋𝐈𝐊𝐿, your design and tech tutor. On this YouTube channel, I share videos on how to create designs with smartphone using the smartphone design app Pixel, and I also share tech tips. I also share videos about tech. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys through the step-by-step process of how you can create a Telegram bot. This Telegram bot has some beneficial and amazing feature. With this Telegram bot, you can create posts for your Telegram channel, schedule posts for your Telegram channel, view your Telegram channel statistics, and at the same time, add button links to your Telegram channel post. But before we dive into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing content. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. And at the same time, don't forget to click on the like button so that they are going to come and push the video to more viewers who may also be interested in knowing how to create this Telegram bot. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video.
You must have your Telegram channel, you must have it created. So after you've created the Telegram channel, you click on this search icon here, then you search for bot father. You search for bot father. Bot father with the Telegram verified tick. So once you search for bot father, you are going to land here, then you click on start. After you click on start, you are going to have this message which says, I can help you create a manual Telegram bot. If you are new to the bot API, please see the manual. So you can see the manual to have more detail, to get better understanding of how you can use this Telegram bot. But here, the next thing you will be clicking is new bot. You click on new bot. After you click on new bot, you will have the message, alright, a new bot. How are we going to call the bot? Please choose a name for your bot. So you are going to choose a name for your bot. So let's say the bot will be called DT bot. Let's put one so that we can differentiate between the bot and the Telegram channel. DT bot 1. So after you've created the name for the bot, you will have to create a username for the bot. So let's say DT1 underscore bot. Let's put testing. The username of the bot. You have to create, it can be anything, your own username. You have your own username. So after you've chosen your own username, the username must end with bot. You can either combine the bot with the username or you put underscore bot. So you send it, then you will be having this message. Once your username is accepted, you have this message. As you can see, it says done, congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at, so this is where we have the first link on the message. You long tap on it, then you copy the link. Now you go back to your Telegram channel, to the Telegram channel you want to create the bot for. Then you click on the name, on the Telegram channel name. You see subscribers here, click on subscribers. Then you click on add subscriber. Here where we have the search bar, just paste the link. Once you place the link, you will have this. You will have the name of the bot. The name of the bot. You will have it pop up. Then you click on it. Then you click on add as admin. You click on the check mark here. So the bot has been added as an admin to your Telegram channel. So after that, the next thing is to search for controller bot. You search for controller bot. Controller bot. So this is controller bot. Once you click on controller bot, you have to click on start. Then you have this message. It says, I can help you to manage Telegram channels. You can control me by sending these commands. So we have the commands below. So the command we are going to be choosing here is add channel. So you click on add channel. So after you click on add channel, it says to connect a bot, you should follow these 2 steps. So these are the 2 steps you have to follow to command the channel. To connect a bot, you should follow these 2 steps. To connect the bot to your Telegram channel, these are the steps you have to follow. You open bot father and create a new bot, which we've done. You will get a token. There will be a code. After you've created the bot, there will be a code in the last message here. So let's go back to bot father. Here where we have bot father, you can see the message, the last message here. There is this token here. It says use this token to access the HTTP API. So you copy the token number, you copy it just like I've done. I've copied it. So you go back to controller boot, then you are going to paste the code here. So we are going to send the code here. Then after sending the code here, it brought up another message, which is to add a channel, you should follow these 2 steps. These are the 2 steps to follow to add a channel. The first one is add this DT testing bot. You add it to the admin of your channel, which we've done earlier. The second step is you forward to me any message from your channel. From the channel you want to create the bot for, you forward a message from the channel. So let's go back to the channel, then forward the message. So you can just send a random message. Let's say design and tech up. So this message, you are going to forward it to controller bot. Now we forward the message to controller bot. You can see the forwarded message. Then next to it, we have this message which says we have to set the timing zone. Now send me the name of your city. You send the name of your city, probably your country. So I will send in the name of my country, which is Nigeria. Then it will send me the time zone of my country. If the time zone is right, just click on yes, it's right. So now the bot has been successfully created. You can see success. The channel DT bot has been added. The bot has been added to controller bot, which you will be using to control your Telegram channel. Now you can now create a post using this bot. So let's click on create post. This is your bot now. This is your bot. So you click on start. So once you click on start, you will have this message. You can see it says first you need to do setting. You need to set the formatting style that will be used by default. So you set the formatting style. So make sure the auto formatting here is set as markdown, which is already silent message. You make sure it is off so that your Telegram channel subscribers will get notified whenever you post using this bot. The third one, link preview. Don't let it preview. So just if you don't want the link to be previewed, the link you had to the post, if you don't want the link to preview, just click on it, you on it, then you click on continue. Once your settings, you are satisfied with your settings, click on continue like this. So here it says send me one or multiple message you want to include in the post. Now the post we want to create, if it has a photo or a video or even a sticker or a text, you just say you place it here. So let's say I want to create a post with a picture. I will just click on this to bring in my picture, to bring in the picture I want to use. So I will send the picture. After sending the picture, I will have this: add comments, add native, add reactions, add URL, delete message, notify on. So let's say I want to add reaction. That is, when I send this message, I want people's reaction, whether they are good with the message or they are not good. I will click on add reaction. Add reaction. Send me emojis or a text as a separator or to add reactions. So let's say I will just send an emoji, a love emoji, to make sure people are good with it. So I will send the love emoji, which is reaction. I've sent the reaction. Now the next one is, if I want to add a URL, I will just click on add URL button. So I will click on add URL button. Now once I click on add URL, I will have this message which will be showing me how I should place the URL. So follow me. This is how you're going to create your URL. Let's say this is a tutorial video. This is a tutorial video showing my Telegram channel subscriber how they can read deleted message. So I want to redirect my Telegram channel subscribers to my YouTube channel to watch the video. I will just say tutorial video. Put this, then I will place tutorial video. Let's say I want to put an emoji like this. Then I will place the link. I will place the link in front of it like this. The link to the tutorial video, I will just place it there, which is the link. So I want them to subscribe to my channel. I will just put subscribe. Subscribe like this. After I put subscribe, I will just put the link to my Telegram, the link to my YouTube channel. I will put it there. So if I have any more, if I have another link I want to add, just like that, you write the text you want it to be shown. You write the text and you place the link in front of it. You can put emoji and you may not put emoji, just like I put this mark emoji. You may put it and you may not put it. So I will send the link. So once I send the link, you can see this. So let's say I'm done with whatever I want to do here. If I want to add a comment, I can add it. Anything you want to do here, if you want to add it, you can add it. Once I'm done setting the post, once I'm done editing everything I want to edit on the post, I will just click on send here. Send. Then it will say one message ready to be sent to DT bot. So when you want to send the post, you can now send. You can send now. Click on send now. So just click on send. You can edit post. You can check your channel statistics. You can change the settings. So let's view the post. So you can see here, this is the Telegram channel. This is the Telegram channel here. You can see tutorial video. Once they click on that tutorial video, it will redirect them to my YouTube channel to view the video. Once they click on subscribe, it will redirect them to subscribe. So if you are someone and you want to promote anything, you want to promote a link, you can just promote your link like this. And if you want to schedule a post, you can come to your bot here, DT bot. You can come to your bot here, schedule your post. If you are the type that you want to schedule your post, you want to schedule post for your Telegram channel, you can schedule your post. You can edit post. You can the channel statistics. You can check your channel statistics. The settings, the settings we gave the bot earlier. You can change the settings. So the settings, you can change the settings. These settings, you can change it. So just like that, you want to back it, you can back it. You can schedule post. So schedule post, choose the channel you want to schedule post for. So you choose your channel, which is dbot. If your own channel name will be shown here, you can see the name of the channel is dbot. So your own channel name will be shown here. Back, you can view your channel statistics. You can edit post. So just like that with this Telegram bot. Please, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment on the video. If you have any question concerning the video, I will attend to your question. And please share the video across to your friends who will also be interested in knowing how they can create this Telegram bot. Thanks for watching.